Hello, today I'm in Ford Mustang. In this video I'll show you how to manage voice control. In the beginning, let's take a look at the screen display. Go to settings and enter settings again. Go to voice control. And as you can see right here, you can enable interaction mode in novice or advanced mode, enable or disable configuration prompts, media candidate lists, phone candidate lists, and change voice control volume.
Softer.
Now, in order to enable voice control, simply press this button on steering wheel.
Please say a command.
Phone.
The phone is currently not connected. Sync is trying to connect to a previously paired phone.
And that's basically it. You just press this button, say a command, and it will appear on the screen display. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.